The Vande Bharat Express is a semi-high-speed train introduced by the Indian Railways in 2019. Here are some of its specialties. 1. Speed. The train has a maximum speed of 160 km per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in India. 2. Aerodynamic design. The train is designed to have a bullet-like shape, which reduces air resistance and allows it to travel faster. 3. Modern amenities. The Vande Bharat Express has several modern amenities like Wi-Fi, infotainment screens, and onboard catering. 4. Energy efficient. The train is designed to be energy efficient, with regenerative braking systems that can save up to 30% of electricity. 5. Improved safety features. The train has several safety features like fire-resistant materials, automatic doors, and CCTV cameras. 6. Comfortable seating. The train has comfortable seating arrangements with adjustable headrests and footrests. 7. Eco-friendly. The train is equipped with bio-toilets. Overall, this is the train for the future of India.